pick any of your 3 layers material up and let's try this style on my screen. So the first thing you're going to do is that 3 layers material you're going to fold into two like this. Then you place from the back of your head, arrange it at the front the way it is shown in this video. Then here, grab the both together like this, and you need your office pin to secure. So here's my pin I'm trying to secure here. So after securing, it is firm on my head, so I'm free to work with both sides. So I picked the first one up and make pleats like this. I pleated everything down, but I raised this up a bit though, just a bit. It's going to come down again. I raise it up a bit, and the excess I'll take it towards the back and get it secured. So after securing here, now we have the other part. So I'm going to stretch it out. It's not going to be in two as we fold. I'm going to stretch it out like this, make it equal. Then I will now pleat from up like this, bit by bit, pleat it all like that. So once I'm done pleating everything up there, then I need elastic band to replace my hand. I'll remove my hand, so I'll use band to replace it. Then I have excess, which I'll be dipping inside that hole at the center, then use office pin to close it up. So once that is done, it is time for adjustment. The pleated part here, I'll just stretch it out to this side, secure it down. Then I'll do the same thing to the other parts. Pick a bit with the pleated part here and this one, then get it secured. So after securing, I advise you use the color of your fabric for elastic band, but if you don't have, then you need to cover it up like mine here. Use your brush to cover it up, or any flowery material. Secure all other areas that you feel they are not yet secured. Then adjust all the adjustables. It is very important. And here is a final outlook of the head wrap. If you have watched this length, like, share, and do follow for more.